back to RJ Talkies. We are back again with another portable speaker, Denon Home 150. So let's just open the box and let's see what we have in this. Alright guys, so the box contains this quick start guide. There is this power cable for this and Denon Home 150. Guys, let me tell you a few things about Denon Home 150. Basically it's in grey fabric finish. It is very handy and portable speaker with the very sleek design, and it has this sensor motion display which I will be showing you when I'll turn it on. It's a mono speaker with a built-in Class D amplifier, and it can be used as a stereo speaker if you connect two of these. Also can be used as a surround speaker with a Denon DHT 716 soundbar. If you want a 5.1 system, you can get a soundbar 716 and you connect two of these speakers with that, and it will work as a surround speaker. So they're like multi-functions of the speaker which can be used in different ways. It also supports high resolution audio files. By higher resolution audio files, I mean like FLAC files. You can play FLAC files on this with your HEOS application. There are multiple ways to connect this speaker. You can connect it with HEOS application, you can connect with Airplay, you can connect with Bluetooth and aux as well. Let me show you the connecting ports of this speaker. Okay, let's just turn on this Denon Home 150 and let's check the sound of this. Okay guys, let me show you the display of this. It has this sensor motion display. There's like quick select options. This is play and pause button. The volume keys. Okay, so let's just get this on pairing mode. You'll have to press this Bluetooth button for like 3 seconds. And there it is. Okay, so here we get this Denon Home 150. Let's just connect this. And as you can see, it's connected. Let's go to music and let's play a song. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys like it. Kindly subscribe my channel and share it as well.